Why you choose Serbia? Many reasons for choosing Serbia. Central Europe, very economical, friendly atmosphere, cosmopolitan, locals understands English, nice, rich heritage and culture, degree acceptance around the world, highly ranked universities, government universities. So many reasons I can give to study in Serbia. The more importantly, which is important for the countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, that how economical it is. It's as economical as Kyrgyzstan, you can imagine. Even some of the Pakistani universities, Bangladesh and Indian universities are more expensive than Serbian government universities. So I believe that, first of all, why Serbia? That standard of education. Standard of education is very high. You can imagine that Nice University is less than 1,000 ranking in the world and less than 300 in Europe. So you can imagine how many universities just alone in England, maybe above 200. But still, Serbia is dominating in the ranking. Nice University, one of the finest university I have come across in last 14 years since I'm working. Amazing facilities of education in this university. Government university, not so expensive. If you come to expense, I think it's as equal as Kyrgyzstan or Uzbekistan. So why choose these countries? Why not Central Europe? Why not where the work is allowed officially? Officially work allowed for students. They can work part-time and earn a good handsome amount which can cover their living and educational cost. They can earn between 600 to 1,000 euro per month, which is part-time. So without losing education, you can work and you can live. You not burden on your parents. Secondly, medium of instruction. In the university, everyone speaks English, even in labs and hospitals. So this is very important. I think that economical is secondary, which is most important thing is that standard of education is high, very good education system, also acceptance of the degree around the world. These are main prior things which I can emphasize on you to come Serbia and study in the Serbian university. Nice University is one of the best university I have seen in Europe. They have all the facilities, labs, staff, professors, associate professors. They are fully equipped, they are knowledgeful, they are competent, and more above, they are very friendly. Serbia is a prime location, prime destination for our students in coming years. Serbian education is very highly ranked around the world. Once you graduate from these Serbian universities, Max Mentor promise you to find a nice job within Europe and even in America and Canada. Once you become graduate, we are going to focus on your job searching. Even before, especially I want to say pharmacist and for the pharmacist and the nurses, that once you are in the last year of your graduation, we already will start communicating with the different institute and hospitals to find a job for you, which is very important if you become graduate from Serbian universities.